The best rock songs of all time capture the essence of passion, rebellion, and timeless artistry. From the raw energy of the classic anthems to the intricate musicianship of progressive rock, these songs have shaped this genre and continue to resonate with listeners across generations. Legends like the Beatles, Led Zeppelin, and the Rolling Stones set the foundation with songs that transcend musical boundaries. So look into them. Now, tracks like Hey Jude, I'll put it all in the description, and Stairway to Heaven became cultural landmarks, blending melody, innovation, and emotion. Meanwhile, artists like Queen brought theatrical flair to rock, with songs like Bohemian Rhapsody remaining iconic for their, operatic structure and unmatched vocal delivery. In the 1970s and the 1980s, it introduced harder, edgier sounds as bands like, AC/DC and Metallica delivered unforgettable guitar riffs and high-octane performances. Meanwhile, punk rock like the Ramones, The Clash, channeled youthful defiance into their music, crafting songs that captured the spirit of rebellion. In the modern era, rock has continued to evolve with bands like Nirvana and Foo Fighters who have infused new energy into their genre. These songs, whether fast and furious or soulful and reflective, embody the universal truth of life, love, and defiance, securing their place in the pantheon of rock music.